Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear are the waters that flows in yonder stream, and my love is fairer than any. Over the mountain and down into the glen, to the little Irish cot in the valley, where the thrush and the linnet sing their ditties and their song, and my love leaning over the half door. Down by the seashore on a cool summer's eve, with the wind blowing over the heather, the moon it shone fair through her threads of golden hair, and she vowed she would love me forever. It's not for the partin' with my sister Kate, it's not for the loss of my mother, it's all for the loss of my bonny blue-eyed lass. I'm leaving my homeland forever. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear are the waters that flows in yonder stream, and my love is fairer than any.